All right, today we're going to go over documents in your Rep Your Rhythm PDF system, where we're going to go and show you how to be able to bring in PDF files, also being able to create PDF files and keeping them all stored in one system where you don't have to go all over the place. So if you're new to our platform, the first thing you need to know is that we are all in one platform, that you do not have to leave this system to do pretty much anything. So let's get into it. Come over here to our Rep Your Rhythm system. I'm going to come back. I was kind of messing around with a little bit of stuff earlier, so let me erase this stuff out of here. And so once you get into your Rep Your Rhythm system, you'll see you'll be probably at the launch pad. First thing you'll want to do is come over here to payments, and you'll see documents and contracts, templates. So let's just say if you wanted to be able to get one of these templates, they have templates inside of here. So you can start from here and you can add all the elements that you want to. So let's just say if you wanted to add some text, you can put a header inside of here, new message, new client, or whatever this field is that you feel comfortable being able to do back here. You know what I mean? So you can be able to actually write paragraphs, change up the font if you want to, just like basically your own Microsoft Word. You don't have this. You can name this whatever it is you want to. So we can write out our documents to whatever clients that we need to. We also can be able to add as many pages as we like, different kind of variables inside of here, name it. Let me go in here. It also has the date that it was created. You can put the document number, all that good stuff. Also, you can make a payment, put a payment inside of here. You can take this, add a product list. If somebody needs to be able to pay for something, you can be able to create a list right here. You could create a receipt as well if you needed to. This thing gets very, very deep. Hold on, let me try to find something else what you could be able. Also, you could request a signature. So if let's just say if you write out a document or whatever it is that you need, you could be able to put a signature to it, tell somebody, hey, you got to be able to sign for this, and then you just send it out. So you'll take add an element. Let's do this. Add another element. You save this thing. All right. So now we got this thing saved. We can come back out of here and we could be able to see that we have our document right here. And we could take this, download it as a PDF. So now we can send it out to wherever we want to. We can convert it to a template. We can, view it, view the history of it, see when it was edited, when it was made, all that good stuff. This just goes on in here. And also we'll get into all this team notifications and product invoicing and stuff like that. I can get off into that into another video, but we can also be able to create direct payments inside of here and also bringing in products. So it gets really deep inside of documents, but let me show you this as well. We can upload a PDF file that we have inside of our, let's just say we got some notes here. Upload that. Take a little minute depending on the files, and now you got that. So you save it. Let me see what we got. Go back in here. Let's say we put something on it. We save it. Now it's in our documents. And same thing goes for the other things. We can add on to it, do whatever it is that we need to back inside of our own system. So we don't have to go anywhere to look at anything. We can collect payments from back here. Like I said, you can put the dates for when you created all these documents. It's so much stuff that you could be able to do back here and don't have to look around for your files anymore. So the next time I'll see you in the next video where we'll be going over more and more things on how this thing ties together as well. Peace and blessings, guys.